everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In this video I'm going to talk about beauty of Joseon's new release, which is their green plum AHA BHA toner. Now this product has been going viral and I've seen a lot of people using and loving this product. Now this 150 ml of product costed $19 on YesStyles, and major ingredient in this one include anti-acne protection, which is salicylic acid, antioxidants, which is Panax ginseng root extract, portulaco, oleoratio extract, exfoliants like glycolic acid and salicylic acid, and skin identical ingredients like glycerin and sodium PCA. Some soothing ingredients which include portulac extract and salicylic acid. So this product is a combination of variety of ingredients and it is the AHA and BHA. The texture of this product is quite runny and it is very soothing ingredient because it contains green plum in it. Now this toner claims that this is suitable for people with acne prone and sensitive skin, and it is made to daily use because the percentage of exfoliants, which is AHA and BHA, is quite less in this, which makes this suitable for everyday use. Still, I will not recommend using this product every day because this is an exfoliant. Although this mildly exfoliate your skin, helps you dealing with dead skin and prevent blackheads and whitehead, it also helps dealing with your dull skin and gives brightening effects afterward. Now this particular toner is very light in consistency. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, but I feel like you should start using this product maximum thrice a week. Don't use it every single day because it contains glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Even though it's a very mild exfoliating your skin every day, it's not good for your skin and it's gonna disturb your skin barrier, which will gonna lead to acne and breakouts and skin sensitivity. Any product with AHAs or BHAs or glycolic, mandelic or salicylic, any kind of acid, don't use these kind of products every day. So in case you want to buy this product, because this has been viral all over and I know a lot of people want to buy this product because of the kind of soothing ingredient that this has, but never forgot about the fact that the AHAs and BHAs are not good when it comes to everyday usage into your skin. So yeah, if you want to buy this product, you can definitely buy this product, but don't make a mistake of using this product in day night every time skincare routine. This is not that kind of serum. If you want to use something day night every time you want to, you can go in with the ginseng toner from the same brand, and then I have a complete review of that product also on my channel in case you want to check it out. But yeah, this is not suitable for everyday use and I will recommend it to people with oily acne prone skin because this contains good and soothing ingredient for these skin type. So yeah, that is a quick short review of this product. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.